Just whack it.
Am I gonna break the plate?
No, yeah, try to break the plate. Oh, okay, that was hard.
Double smoked bacon potato skins.
That sounds like it's ready for a big game.
Yes.
We get some baked potatoes, an hour and 10 minutes at like 375 degrees. Everyone says poke holes in them.
Yeah.
Or they'll blow up. I've never poked a hole in a potato.
No?
And I've never had one blow up like a grenade.
Okay.
I kind of live on the wild side. I'm like, I just really hope one blows up.
Yeah.
Hasn't happened yet. So if it happens to you, send some pictures. I want to see what goes on. I just rub some olive oil on the outside, and then basically you get this perfect baked potato, right? And then what you want to do is you want to scoop it out, and do not throw this stuff away. If you do a hash in the morning, you'll probably need it.
Yeah, or just eat it right now as you
can do
scoop
that
it
too,
out.
right? Little chives. And then instead of deep frying, because not everyone has a deep fryer at home,
Yeah.
simply just take some olive oil, kind of coat it in there, and then bake that again, or just broil that for like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And it'll come out super crisp.
Nice.
Fair enough?
Lovely.
So then we have these super crispies right here.
Yep.
We do some homemade barbecue sauce.
Oh, that's what you did.
You know, a little flavor there. And then Tracy, throw some bacon in there.
Okay.
Right. Oh, you see the bones there? Like,
So I can put as much or as little as I want.
Yeah, I know you can be aggressive. I mean, it's like it's a celebration, right?
It really
that's
is.
aggressive. Yeah, that's aggressive.
Guys,
yeah,
it's a celebration.
Sure.
It's a celebration.
We're gonna put a lot of greens on top of this.
Oh yeah, let's celebrate.
So then,
what kind of cheese did you use?
we did some aged cheddar. I just like the sharpness. I kind of like how it gets caramelized, and you know you can be aggressive with that too. Throw that under the broil for like, I don't know, maybe 8 to 10 minutes until you get some deep caramelization.
Okay.
You ready for this?
And it's going to be ooey gooey good.
It's going to be like, come on.
We don't need no salad on this.
Look at this. Look at this. Like, look at that.
That's perfect.
I mean, you could do it. Like, but hold on.
We don't need anything else.
Now wait, there's more. It's one of those. I mean, that's pretty awesome. I mean, you could cut it up in little finger bites. But come on, let's get some vegetables in there. Feel better about ourselves. So celery root, celeriac. Are you familiar with this?
I am, and I would never ever touch it.
Oh, because it like is it because
well, look at what it looks. It looks like brains. So I look at this at the grocery store, and I'm thinking, I don't have the time for this. So you have to take off all the gnarly stuff.
Yeah, just cut it down and kind of get to the heart of it.
You get to that.
It's very cheap and cheerful, and smell it. It's just like so fragrant.
Oh,
it's just got this like this wonderful thing, and then just pass it through a mandolin. So what we're gonna do is make a celeriac slaw.
And this is the way to do it. I mean, just make it so it's a little bit more manageable.
Yes.
And then you'll want to actually use it.
You can buy like some plastic versions of these. Everyone kind of has one at home. If not, you can always use a vegetable peeler and a knife, kind of bang it through. You should always use the guard.
Yeah.
We just put some freshness in there to kind of like, because that bacon's gonna be kind of heavy.
Beautiful.
There's some more celeriac, some cucumbers, some green onions, and then you just want to take some of this mint.
Even that smells good now. Like this is fresh.
Just kind of tear that up. So the mint's gonna kind of be like this fresh thing that kind of goes on.
Absolutely.
As far as the dressing goes, we don't want to go too heavy. We want to do a little bit of grain mustard, a tiny little bit
of mayo.
Just a little bit. And then I want to go extra olive oil.
Nice.
Keep it nice and light.
A lot of people think slaw, they think it's going to be drippy. There's barely find a vegetable in there.
Right.
This is nice and light.
No, this is going to be like, it's going to be the sweetness of the apple and then the hardiness of the celeriac. And then we cut it with lime juice.
Nice.
Why lime or lemon? It's just extremely acidic.
Yeah.
Right? And it'll just give it that kind of punch and it'll get right through that cheese and bacon.
Oh, beautiful.
So then what we're going to do is toss this up. We'll let it marinate for like, I don't know, 30 seconds. But we're going to get a little crazy on the plate. I just want to try something fun because, it's a party.
Yeah.
And it's not really a party until things get a little bit crazy. So, Tracy,
we're going to plate them.
A little plating technique, what I want to do is I want to take some barbecue sauce, put it right in the middle. And then you know what I want to have you do?
What?
I want you to take this spoon and whack it, like hard. Like, I mean hard. I'm going to protect you, but just whack it.
Am I going to break the plate?
No, try to break the plate. Oh, okay, that was hard. That is exactly what we're after.
I'm strong.
That was amazing. That was amazing. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is.
It's very artistic.
No, it's very artistic. I would have brought a larger apron if I hadn't known you were going to be aggressive. I would love to see what you do your kids' T-ball game.
Another outfit I own from Cityline. No, I don't even think I got any of it on me.
So then we're going to take that slaw, right?
Okay.
And we're going to just build this thing right up like that, right? So now, look at this.
All right,
have this
I'm in. I'm still in.
Slaw, feel better about everything else. Now you can have a few more beers and that lovely little plating.
Yes.
Look at that.
Gorgeous.
Bring the goggles.
Oh my gosh.